If you suffer from fatigue, snoring, insomnia, excessive daytime sleepiness, gasping/choking arousals, lack of refreshing sleep, witnessed apnea, morning headache, memory loss, mood changes, dry mouth, erectile dysfunction, decreased libido or frequent nightly urination, etc., then it is important to make sure you don't have obstructive sleep apnea or OSA. OSA is a condition where throat closes during sleep abruptly and intermittently, resulting in cessation of breathing and drop in body's oxygen level. Low oxygen wakes up brain several times per night, so patient can take a breath, resulting in poor sleep quality. That is why seeking timely care is important, because untreated moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea can put you at a higher risk of high blood pressure, abnormal heart rhythm, sudden cardiac death, stroke, depression, memory loss, Alzheimer's dementia, brain damage, erectile dysfunction, accidents, etc. Telemedora can help you reduce these risks. Telemedora is making virtual sleep evaluation by a board-certified sleep physician and home sleep apnea testing possible in the comfort of your own home. To book your appointment, simply call 650-687-7368 or go to www.telemedora.com. Click Book Now, pick name of sleep physician, date/time for appointment, and fill out the required info and hit confirm. Now accepting Medicare as well. Some restrictions apply. Get seen quickly. Before making an appointment, check our website www.telemedora.com for details.